15-kilometre drive from Russell Falls. Come up to the top of Mount Field National Park. This is Lake Dobson. Alongside Lake Dobson is the aptly named Pandani track. It's something of our previous adventures we haven't actually been here, but it makes it just a little bit more special in the snow. There's not too many places that I've experienced such a density of Pandani, but also in amongst these stands here are lots of pencil pines. This would have been protected for millennia from fire. It's a real special little spot.